Hi, this is Kathy, and this is the intraday harmonic scenario for ES for tomorrow, Thursday, April 7th. Okay, coming into today, we were in retracement mode of this little brown pattern. Okay, it's crap. So it retraced 61.8%. That's a very respectable retracement. And in doing so, it created a whole new harmonic scenario. So I don't really need this brown pattern anymore, but since I had made reference to it, I wanted to keep it on here for that. So now I'm focusing on the cyan pattern. And there's several things that are going on here that are of interest. One, we have the line in the sand level at 2071.50. There's also a gap there just right under that. It's 2171.25. So, you know, the the bias is neutral with a slight upside pull, but look at momentum. It's barely above the midpoint, and the moving averages are pretty flat, and there was a bear cross and it hasn't crossed back up into bullish. So it's just pretty neutral right now. And to add on top of that, we have a double POC composite, meaning there's two areas of acceptance that are magnets and they're vying for the attention of price. Okay, both of them are calling price to them. And it's really not until we can get beyond these yellow zones that it's going to not have as much pull to those two areas. Okay, the other thing is there's two emerging patterns for the downside completion, providing the 2071.50 is not breached, and that's going to be down here at the 2019-2018 area. Okay, and it's both a cyan bat and a shark. So the shark could be invalidated if we make a double top. And the other thing is if we don't take out this swing high on the left here, 2064.50, we could be setting up for a head and shoulders formation, right? And that would be another reason to call price below, just like that double harmonic pattern, PRZ at the 2019 area. Now, if that's going to be the scenario, first support is going to be this golden ratio zone at 2048.75. It correlates with the weekly sword line. The second important support test is going to be, and I'm going to change that to significant, 2035, because it's our triangle point. Every time there's a triangle point, I'm going to have either line in the sand or significant level there. So this is going to be a significant level as well, 2012.25. So anyway, this 2035 is going to be the next support test, and below there is going to strongly increase the probability of completing these two patterns. And there could be a breach below there to test that significant level at 2012.25. Okay, and it's really not until price can hold below this swing point, that significant level, would it increase the probability of going to the extended targets. Okay, now I want you to note that if price is coming down into this completion of this double pattern, if you go to the profile chart, it's going to correlate with the yellow zone, okay, at 2016.25. Now, the upside, let's say, you have to be prepared. When you have neutral bias, you have to be prepared for either direction, literally. So, if price is able to push and hold above 2071.50, then we have the ABCD targets, right? And 2064, that will take price on the upper side of this neutral zone at 2067. Oh, well, it's going to do that. We don't have to breach that significant level. Okay, the 2071.25 gap is what correlates with that double top. Okay, anyway, so it could breach this yellow zone to fill that gap, or to have the double top and then be pulled back to that magnet at 2057. Okay, now let's look at the profile chart. As you can see, the yellow zones are the divider of the peaks, right? They're the valleys. Now, we have two significant peaks, one at 2057 and one at 2039.50. And so the yellow zones kind of hone in the value area that says as long as we hold in between these yellow zones, it's going to keep returning to these magnets. And it's really not until price can hold above this yellow zone. There's a much larger one, which is the double top at 20.9975, or below 2016.15. Now that's going to correlate with completing the double bullish pattern, okay? So right now we're just in a sideways range, as you can see, right? And we're just we're being drawn to those two areas of acceptance.